Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Is actually still pretty much really lackluster, right? We're not really getting much out of this gold. Look at this gold chart here. Just pretty much just sideways, right? Really not much going on. We've got a bit of a slight higher low to this higher low through here. So we're getting this sort of squeezing action through there, as you can see, and we're getting this sort of level through here. So we are squeezing up. We did rally up, and it did come back down, and we did hold this high through here. So this low through here is a higher low compared to this low here. So the buyers are kicking in a little bit here. We are squeezing up into this bit of a triangle pattern. So it might just be that time. And what I mean by that is that we actually do get a break up and out. And once we do see that, we're probably likely to start to see a nice move up. Moving on through to silver and gold as well too. Same sort of thing. If I'm looking at the markets through there, if I bring up my trend line just a little bit more from there to there, let me squeeze my chart up a bit more. All right, so I'm just trying to get the exact high or low through there. So that's that point through there. We can see how we had this point, we had this pullback. Now we've had this rally up. If I bring up, again, my next 3 months worth of data, I can still see overall that we're definitely stuck in this level through here. Look at this here. We're stuck in that level through there. We're in this bit of a downward movement, but look at all this major level of support through here. So around that 1750 is a definite major level of support or resistance. Now that 1750 has been a level, if I go to my weekly chart, has been a level that has been just quite significant, as you can see, around this level through here, and especially even up to as high as around that $19 level. So these whole levels really from there through to there are definitely those levels that you want to keep an eye on for. And what I mean by keep an eye on for with those is you can see how we're pulled back through here. So once we break, or if we do break up out of silver, very short term, probably likely to run to around the $19 level there. If we do break that level there, looking at this weekly chart, then as you can see, right, that this is probably likely to run to 20, and then this thing is about to take on some serious moves over the next couple of years, I believe. But that being said, guys, we just don't know, right? So we could actually just get a breakdown from here. But looking at that, once again, looking at the last sort of couple of months, last sort of 3-4 months, we can see that we had a sideways, a breakdown, false breakout, rally up, and it's just what the market does so much, doesn't it? At this sort of when it breaks down, guys, if you ever see this, all right, if you ever see this type of action, when the market's heading down, it goes sideways, and we have a bit of a flush down, and it's getting people short, and then we rally right back up. This is a false breakout to the downside, and that's what the market does so much. And if you start to notice this is a bit of a false breakout, then we're likely to start to see a move up, right? This happens so much in the markets. So that's what we're seeing through there, right? So we may get this, we may start to see this bit of a break up and out of this level through here. Again, the last sort of, level coming back down through to here, and we're squeezing right up into this triangle pattern. And as you can see, right, if I squeeze my level up, where not only are we squeezing up at this level, but look at this massive triangle pattern coming into play right now. It's really interesting. So something's about to happen with silver and gold soon. And it's really interesting to see what's happening with silver and gold right now. And we may be potentially getting ready for some sort of a pullback. And it seems like that may go in sync with each other. We may get some sort of a pullback in the stock market, and then silver and gold looks like it may be starting to break out there. So it'll be really interesting, guys. If we do start to break up and out of this level through here, then I see a rise from there. Same for the SLV as well too, right? The SLV, if I take that off the screen, man, we've had the SLV, right, has had a major resistance through there. Pretty crazy on the SLV, right? Look at this here. It looks a bit different than the actual silver market itself. Silver is obviously a little bit more clearer when it comes to that. Moving over now to the actual silver, the gold mining stocks. We can see that what's happening through here is pretty much one. It's very messy, right? It's just look how messy this chart is. Lots of gaps and stuff like that. So we had this move up, move down, move up, and then a move down, and then a sideways movement where we are right now. So my goodness, where's this thing going to break? Because we're about to break somewhere, right? We have this significant level of support down through to here. We have this resistance level coming down through to here. My goodness, guys, if we start to see an up move with an increase in volume, that could be the next start of the next move up. And same for the GDXJ as well too. The GDXJ is actually a lot more, as you can see, right, it's a lot more up here than say the GDXJ. Look at the GDXJ is pretty much sideways, nowhere near its resistance level. This is the GDX. The GDXJ, right? Look at the GDXJ, just holding very, 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 very strong through here. We have that resistance level through there. We have this level coming back down through to here. As you can see, somewhere through there. And we definitely do have, is that level through there? Pretty much this level through here, right? Or was it this level? As you can see, right, I'm just drawing trend lines to try to find the most relevant one. Where we are right now, it's probably this level through here. And I'd probably bring that up just a little bit more from there to there, around that level. So as you can see, right, we're doing the same sort of things, compressing up. We are squeezing up in this level through here. So it'd be really interesting to see where we actually break from this GDX and GDXJ. Exciting times, exciting times when it comes to silver and gold and the mining stocks. And just remember, guys, if you are trying to place a position in silver and gold and you're looking at buying options, the worst mistake you can do is buy a couple of months worth of time because they're the cheaper ones. Do not do that. Give yourself time, right? So I have positions in, say, for example, SLV. I have positions in SLV right now. I have one SLV is I bought like a couple of years worth of time, and the other one I have like at least 6 months worth of time, right? And that's still probably making me a bit nervous because I don't have enough time there, right? We know we're likely to see a rise over the next couple of years with silver and gold, but we never know when we're likely to get that really big crack for a few months. So buying enough time just allows you to be in the markets and wait for that thing to happen, because when it happens, you won't be able, then people are saying, oh my goodness, where did this thing come from? Again, especially like with the SLV as well too. SLV starts to break this $17 level, guys. We have a pretty quick and pretty sharp move up to that 1950 level, which is probably likely to happen. Now that may take a couple of months from there. So that's what I'm looking at there, guys, when it comes to the mining stocks there. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Board trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.